Guys, hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit meron tayong gaming computer ngayon at saka gaming console noon? Nimrod, built in 1951 and considered as the first gaming computer. Opo, kauna-unahang gaming computer. It was designed by John Makepeace Bennett and built by Raymond Stuart Williams noong 1951 para sa Festival of Britain. Hindi naman talaga ginawa si Nimrod para sa gaming. Subalit siya ay dinisenyo para i-demonstrate o laruin yung tinatawag nilang laro na Game of Nim, a mathematical strategy type of game using matchsticks or stick ng posporo. Nim is a game which is believed to have originated from China, possibly from the game Zhan Shizi, or also known as Speaking Stones. O diba, ang laking pasasalamat dahil kay John Bennett at Raymond Williams, kasama na si Nimrod, kaya nabuo yung concept na gaming computer. Ang galing, diba? Maraming salamat.